Nice cheap eats today. So we're going to do cabbage and egg. I've got garlic in there, onion, ginger. So easy, takes no time at all, tastes absolutely super fab. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so nothing to it. This one really simple but delicious. White cabbage, I've cut that, shredded it. There's about 5-6 cups there, or half a decent head of a white cabbage. 1 cup of onion, 4 eggs, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of ginger chopped. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're gonna need a skillet or a wok or something like that. In there, I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could for sure use something different. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh ginger. I've just put the heat on. We're gonna be on a high heat. 1 cup onion. We're gonna add salt. We're going to add black pepper. Now, if you want, you can get some turmeric in there, maybe some chili powder in there, or some other sort of spice, keeping this one really nice and easy. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Fantastic. Next up, the cabbage. In that goes white cabbage, about half a decent sized cabbage head. Shredded that up, and we're going to go now for about 4 to 5 minutes, again staying on this high heat and stirring all the time. Now listen, if you want, like I say, I'm keeping this really kind of basic. You can get some thinly sliced carrots in there, some celery or something like that, some bell peppers, add a bit more kind of flavor and vitamins. Keeping it simple, keep it moving. See you in a few minutes. So this cabbage is cooking beautifully. Still got a little bit of a crunch on it. You can cook it longer if you want. Simply, we're going to get 4 eggs. No need to beat them. In they go. We're going to beat them in and cook them. Now, depending on how you like your eggs, I like mine fairly well cooked. So stay on this high heat, and we're going to go about another 3 or 4 minutes, I suppose, keeping it moving. We've nearly done it. Absolutely wonderful. Now listen, if you want, get a can of tuna in there, get some chicken in there, you know, get some sausages in there, you know, nice kind of basic, fill it out with, you know, whatever you like. See you in a moment. Wonderful. Off goes the heat. The only thing I'm going to add is some green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Little mix, job done. We've got ourselves a nice, cheap, easy, filling, delicious meal. Now what I've done is I've just popped a little bit of sriracha on there, little kind of mild chili sauce, a few sesame seeds. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.